Eh? What? What? But... what? What? Right then, new kind of video. So today we are looking at the Doctor Who 60th anniversary 14th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Now this is the online retail exclusive to character options. When I actually went to get one of these like a week ago, yesterday, because today is Friday of recording, it would have arrived yesterday, but I was in the cinema watching Indiana Jones 5, so I wanted to be here when it arrived, so here we are. Now, character options, it was announced the day this went up on their website. I think it's also available at San Diego Comic-Con, and the website went down within like 4 minutes, not even kidding. I refreshed the page a couple times, got my IP band, went out to the market, got some market food, came back home, loaded the website up again. Suddenly I was in a queue at 13th place. That's a bit of a coincidence considering who the previous Doctor was. And then I acquired this sonic screwdriver. Now, as you saw by the intro as well, it goes for extortionate amounts online. So I'm going to treat this one with care, because it's not like I can just easily get a replacement. Down with the other ones because they're still cheap. So, the front of the box, there's no plastic window because save the planet or whatever.
How dare you!
We got Doctor Who's 60th anniversary. It's the crystal logo. That is also featured on, I think, the dual figure set of 13 and 14, and the 60th anniversary Big Finish audio dramas. Might do a review on them. I haven't actually acquired them yet, because I want to sort of look at them. Then obviously we've got the crystallized Doctor, just taken straight from the top, and then Who in the new version. BBC, 60 years. There it is again. The bottom is your standard legal information, all boring stuff. The side is just a side profile of the Sonic. The back, you have your battery options, more legal crap. A bit hard to fit on frame. The logo up there, online exclusive yet again, 5+, a image of the Sonic sort of opened, an image of the 14th Doctor, and then some text that reads, "The 14th Doctor, just like the 10th Doctor, is intrigued and the 14th Doctor, just like the 10th Doctor, is an intriguing mixture of apparent opposites, an extraordinary mix of kindness and sensitivity, but also someone who gives no second chances, and who can be alien, detached, and even vengeful, but never cruel. Time will tell how this Doctor will respond to the universe around him. It always does." Now, my initial thoughts on that text is that's just the Doctor throughout all iterations. No second chances, that's a reference to the Christmas invasion.
No second chances. I'm that sort of a man.
Alien and detached, it's probably a reference to his companions falling for him every 5 minutes. Vengeful, runaway bride when he killed the Rachnos.
Doctor! You can stop now!
how he is towards Daleks. Never cruel.
Never be cruel, never be cowardly.
Again, that's just the Doctor throughout. So yeah, now I've got to figure out how to get this out without scratching the lovely chrome. I've lost my massive scissors, so we've just got a pair of medical scissors today because it does the trick. I was trying. Oh, okay. It's falling out. Right, well, we don't need that now. I'm going to carefully put that off to the side, considering how much it's going for. You know what? To my surprise, I was expecting it to have a really plasticky feel. You know, like all the other Sonics do. But there's even there's a bit of tape there to block the emitter going. I'm just going to take that off camera. Because I don't want to scratch. See? Don't want to scratch the chrome. It's not even tape, it's like that protective film stuff they put. Right, so yeah, it's got a nice, a nice, smooth, good plastic feeling to it, which is surprising. Ah, it's just chrome-plated plastic. Okay, I thought it could have been metal. At least it doesn't feel metal. So here it is. Obviously the centre section is reminiscent of the 10th Doctor Sonic. The black handle and then the bronzy gold lower section is a reference to the 11th Doctor. This spinning dial is a reference to the Master's Sonic. Laser screwdriver, not Sonic. Knobbly bit I'm going to say is in a reference to Peter Capaldi's 12th Doctor Sonic. The top core part I'm also going to say is a reference to Peter Capaldi's 12th Doctor Sonic. But I'm seeing no like reference to Jodie Whittaker's 13th Doctor Sonic. Which can either be a good thing or a bad thing, because I didn't go much on the design of that. But you can see here, and I'll try and zoom in for that for you. Oh, I've run out of focus. There we go. That is a Gallifreyan seal. I'll just look at that off camera. Yeah, little Gallifreyan symbol.
I carry the seal of the High Council.
It's forged, no doubt. See for yourself. Stolen, then? I'll return it at the first opportunity.
On the emitter section, which is just a nice bit of detail. Then I'll see the reflective chrome. So I'll see what you take it apart to get the battery out. But nice detailing throughout the Sonic. It's nice and reflective, which means I'm purposefully trying to hide my face from it. Now, we're going to push the button up. Oh, look at that! Okay. Oh. Okay, so... That's 2 clicks. That's 3 clicks. That's 4. I'll play it closer to the microphone on the camera after this in case it doesn't pick up well. That's 5. That's 6. Okay, so I think that's just basic. Yeah. So I'll play it near the microphone now when I realise where that is. I think I found it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 'and as you can see 5 is no different. I know it did sound a bit different. Okay, so what I want to test, right? We twist that. Okay, so that doesn't change anything. We then push that up. Just like the practical, like, demo video. The 4 prongs come out. Oh, okay, they light up as well. We've even got a little light section down there now. And then if we look down, they light the prongs up. So this is it, 1 press, 2, 3, 4 rather. And then, if we, no, I'll extend it for you on camera. Yeah. 1. See the lights like pulsating. That's kind of cool, really. I will admit, it does look quite cool on camera. But on camera, I'm not sure if it's picking up. But in some parts, the light is like a blue, like here, and down here rather. Then parts like up here and down here is like a turquoisey blue. I'm not sure how well that was picking up on camera, but it looks cool. It's got a decent weight to it as well. I definitely think it's interesting having to push down the slider button. I think that's a new concept, because in the 11th Doctor's Sonic, it was 2 buttons down here, 1 button would fling that up, and then you'd have to press a button hidden down here to activate it. Same with the 12th Doctor's first Sonic, which is just a repackaging of the 11th. And no, I've just realised I'm wrong in kind of. The 12th Doctor's Sonic wouldn't have any moving parts like this, but it would have a slider button that would go up or down to activate the different Sonic sounds, green or blue. So I'm kind of half wrong. We have had a slider that was a button, but it slid and it created the noise, you didn't press it. So, you know, 1 in one hand, 1 in the other. So, but yeah, it's a very interesting Sonic. I'm looking forward to seeing it be used by the 14th Doctor. But the question is, when David Tennant will regenerate into Shutigawa to then form the 15th Doctor, who's actually technically the 17th Doctor, but that's a story for another video, will he keep this Sonic, or will it be lost? I guess we'll have to find out in November. Actually, slight thing I noticed while trying to record like that, slow zoom over a bit. You look on this dead on, the emitter section, because it's blue tinted, the light doesn't show very well. But as you tilt it, the light becomes more prominent. So if you look at it like dead on, it probably won't look too blue. But if you look at it like anywhere from that angle to that angle, you should be good. Even down to about there. So just a word of warning, if you are trying to take, I know, like a cosplay photo with this sonic screwdriver, bear that angle in mind. I'm only saying that because they are, as I've seen, going off what the internet's saying, hard to come by at the moment because of stock sellout. So I've put that bit of information in case you're waiting to get your hands on one and you wanted to know that for just in case. Also, the ring makes a loud click noise. That's fine, I'm gonna guess it's meant to do that. It's not breaking, and it is entirely made of plastic, minus the screws, of course. It doesn't feel metal, even when you tap it. Look, even with a bit of metal, plastic. Because I know there was some debate about whether it was like plastic or metal, because the chrome did look very reflective, and it is very reflective, but it is like chrome plated plastic, which I'm just going to hazard a guess now that when the regular retail version of this Sonic comes out in shops like B&M and such, that it's not going to be chrome. But I think it's just going to be light grey plastic or something. Or maybe this will just be the only version they put out, and who knows. But if they do a regular retail version, I might pick it up and compare the differences. Because I want to know if there are any. Plus I just like collecting Sonics, but that's it now. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And don't have a good day, have a great day.